Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, subscribe, welcome, and hit the notification button to see if we have, so you can be alerted when we have any of the other new videos popping up. With that said, today I'm replacing this ghetto ass, whoever the hell did this. They wasted more time and money cutting out a piece of friggin' whatever metal to make it look like a goddamn mirror. Cheap mofos. Anywho, what we're doing is replacing the mirror with a factory OEM mirror, and brand new, shiny, still in the packaging. I'm gonna show you real quick how to get this all done. So first thing, you pop off the little plastic panel. Very first step, which is right here. Pull that off. Next step, you want to pull the little tab right here. It's a little cover, plastic cover. Pull that off. Beneath of that is a screw, which looks like this right here, which is that actually. Pull that off. Your next step after that, pop off the window switch bezel and remotes. There's a little wire connected in there. Pop that wire out. After that, you're gonna have to have a little pup rivets. There's like 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 6. There's 6 of them. And they're the cheap ones that Dodge uses, but who cares? They look like that. They have a little pup pin and they expand when you push them into the actual grommet right there. Once you pull that off, tuck your door lever lock thing down, pull this open, and voila, your door panel comes off. Set it down somewhere nice so you don't damage it, because it's probably $1,000 and it looks expensive. After that, you get your door exposed. Everything's all your internals are exposed right here. You got your wire, one wire, disconnect and pull that out. Next wire, disconnect that one. That's your black right there. Not sure which both of these do, but anywho, 2 wires, and on your new one you get 2 wires. Hope you guys like my snap-on tool right here. Check it out. It's a real official, authentic snap-on tool. How do you like it? Once you get that off, unbolt your mirror here, unbolt your mirror there, and unbolt your mirror there with a 10mm socket. And after that, have somebody hold the mirror. You can slide the mirror out, flush your new one through. Make sure to tape it in the support mount bracket right here with the electrical tape. Route it back to where it's supposed to be on the module. Plug it in. Test it before you put all this crap back together to save yourself hassle and time if you haven't done something right. And that's it. You're good to go. This is Mark with a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins Laramie mirror replacement. Hope this helps, guys. Share the video. Peace out. Talk to you soon. This is Mark. Subscribe.